Hey guys, Chris here back from C&H Technology. Got a quick video here for you. I went online and purchased another magazine for my AR-15s right here for that. This is actually made in Bulgaria, as the name has on the bottom right here, made in Bulgaria. And this is a magazine. The designation, looks like I can put it down on the ground here for a better shot for you. IK-520 KL556 by 45. So I'll be trying this magazine out at the camp here this weekend, hopefully. And this is what it looks like. This thing is reinforced with steel feed lips on here for that, so it should be relatively durable out here for that. So this is my first video for this one specific magazine, so I just want to give you a showing of what this looks like. The reason I got this one because I was looking online for like various magazines for like durability and stuff like that, and I went on to I think it's called Mag Shack or Mag. I can't remember what the name of it was, but they rated this mag as a high rating on here for that. So that's why I purchased it right here for that. So we'll be doing a test up at the cabin here this weekend to see how it functions. So we're gonna do some kind of a quick review for you guys online because Mr. Guns and Gear on YouTube, he was doing a review for this one I think about 5 or 6 years ago, and he really liked it. So that's why I also purchased it, because he said he never actually had any problems with it at all. So we'll go ahead and do a quick review of it at the cabin. I'll basically, what I'll do is I'll load up for about 5 rounds, and we'll do about 10 rounds and probably maybe 30 or 40 rounds here as well too. But this is a 40 round magazine. It's slightly longer than your typical 30 round here as well too. So we'll be doing a review for this magazine in the near future when I go up to the cabin, because I also have to go up to the cabin and chop up the tree we had fall on our bench up here about 2.5 to 3 weeks ago. So we'll be fixing that up there as well too. And I just want to give you a first initial impression of the magazine I got here in the mail today, and it looks relatively good. I don't see any kind of defects or anything else like that on here. This is, I'll give you another shot of the actual identification right here as well too. It says IK-520 KL556 by 45, and there's your locking recess for the actual locking into the mag well. Here's the spine area right here as well too. Looks good, no problems with that whatsoever. Here's the other side as well too. These things are relatively easy to take apart. You just push the recess button in on the bottom right here. It has a little button right next to the Made in Bulgaria logo right here. Just push it in and pops right off the base plate. And here's your feed lip area right here as well too. So let me see if I can get a better shot here for you there. There's their feed lip area. And that's what it looks like on the front right there for that. So hopefully we'll be doing a follow-up video here this weekend, and we'll be doing a comparison review. I should have mentioned I did not have any issues with this thing locking into my 2 BCM blowers. So this thing definitely locks into the BCM blowers on a closed bolt with no issue, and an open bolt with no issue as well too. So locked in good, no problems with that right there for that. So hopefully it should be good to go up the cabin up here when we test the magazine for functionality purposes up there as well too, guys. So anybody has any comments, questions, whatnot here, this is the first initial video for this one specific magazine, and we'll be doing a review follow-up video for this as well too. I should mention this thing was designed by the person or man who designed the Circle 10 AK-556 magazines right here for your Bulgarian arsenal Circle 10 magazines. So it's basically made by the same guy who created the Bulgarian Circle 10 556 AK magazine as well too. So I'll see you guys and have a nice day.